Speech off.
What's up, guys? It's your good friend Dalton here. I'll see you guys in the video. Turn the light on so you can see. I got a package in the mail today from Amazon. And let me tell you just a little bit of backstory to this. So several years ago, when I was about 11 years old, I had a Bop It Extreme, okay? Milton Bradley 1998 Bop It Extreme. That Bop It Extreme kind of ran away from me. It disappeared. And ever since then I've been looking for one. I'm not gonna go on the whole story because it'd be hours long, but I'll just say this. For the past 12, 13 years I've been looking for this particular Bop It, and I've never been able to find it. And fast forward to 2019, this year, last month, I did a search for this on Amazon, and it came up, and I ordered it, and I want to do an unboxing video with you guys. So you can look at the Bop It. Bop It Extreme from Milton Bradley. These Bop Its. Here it is. Bop It Extreme from Milton Bradley, 1998. Let's see if I can get into it. This looks totally different now. Guys, look at this. This is the original Bop It box. Let me show you. Holy cow, this is like insane. There you guys are. This is insane. Look. Look. This is the original. This is the original Bop It box. Here it is. Milton Bradley Bop It Extreme. Let me go ahead and get it out of the package and we'll show it to you. Take a look at it. You be super careful with it because I don't want to accidentally break it. It's taped nicely. So those of you that have joined my channel that are Bop It fans, this is a pretty interesting little toy. Been searching for this particular Bop It for nearly 18 years now. Been searching for it, trying to find it, and here it is. The Bop It Extreme. Check this out, guys. This is incredible. Look at this. Here it is. The Bop It Extreme from Milton Bradley, 1998. Dolly's hand on your shoulder. I don't know if I can get it out or not. It's smaller than I remember. Holy cow, it's a lot smaller than I remember. packed a Bop It so good in these things. I don't think my Bop It Extreme, my Bop It XT was packed like this. I don't know if I get it out. It might be stuck. Whoops. Whoa. Oh yeah, guys. Check this out. This is the Milton Bradley Bop It Extreme, guys. Check this out. Take it off here. Alright guys, let's hope this video, hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'm gonna go get some batteries in this thing, and yeah, we'll play the Bop It Extreme. Sweet. Alright.